Hey friend, in this video we're going to be updating my kitchen into a cafe style space. You know that feeling of going to your favorite cafe that has that inviting vibe, that's the perfect place to eat, work, and unwind. That's exactly what I'm recreating here by updating my kitchen with a bar table, bar chair, a rug, and some artwork. So let's get to it. Here's where things get interesting. Now, I did lose the rest of the footage of me setting up this bar table, and I ordered the wrong height bar chairs, but you know what? Every creative detour sparks a new masterpiece, and in the week of waiting for these new chairs to arrive, Ruggable reached out to me and sent me a rug to include in this kitchen update. And although Ruggable is not sponsoring this video, I'm excited to show you a rug they sent me and to get this update finished. So let's jump in after the bar table, get these chairs set up, and show you this rug from Ruggable. So these seats are white. I'm hoping that the texture doesn't make them look too white and that it matches with the rest of my apartment. Oh yeah, you can see how even though they're white, the texture makes it look a little creamier. I'm very happy with these. I actually like these better than the other ones that I got. So let's keep going and finish putting these together. I'm trying to be really careful with these scissors and not scratch the chair. All right, and this is the last piece of foam. And we got all those off with no scratches. All right, so I've got the rug from Ruggable down on the floor. Really simple to install. I love the backing that they sent me so it doesn't move around. The only thing I would say is that this tan color did look a little bit more yellow on the website, but nonetheless, I really love this rug. It's really great foundation for what I'm trying to do inside my kitchen. Next would be the artwork and setting up my computer, which the artwork is yellow, which I was excited about because I thought the rug was going to be a little bit more yellow, but we'll see how that goes. I might have to change out that artwork later on. Well, this is a great start to updating my kitchen. It's really turning into what I imagined, and that would not be possible without the incredible rug sent to me by Ruggable. So again, shout out to Ruggable. If you found this video interesting, give it a thumbs up and let me know what you think in the comments. For the next kitchen update, I'll be upgrading to an espresso machine and adding cafe style art above the bar table here and replacing the sconce. So if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss that video. If the video is out already, you'll be able to click here and watch it. If not, you'll be able to watch my full apartment tour in the meantime. I hope this helps with some ideas for your space, and I'll see you in the next update.